In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel sheets into Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing Excel file into Smartsheet and get it ready for collaboration. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, look for the option to start a new project, program, or process. This is the quickest way to create something new, and it's where you'll find the import tools you need. You'll see the template library, which is helpful for exploring best practice structures by role or use case. For our import, we're not using a template. We're going to start from scratch so the sheet matches your Excel layout. Choose Start from Scratch, then select Import. When the import options appear, pick Microsoft Excel and CSV. This tells Smartsheet you're bringing in a standard spreadsheet file. Next, you'll see the Import Microsoft Excel screen. Click Select to open your file picker, then choose the Excel file you want to bring in. Before you continue, here are a few quick tips to make your import smoother. Make sure the first row of your Excel sheet contains clear column headers. Remove merged cells and check that dates are in a consistent format. If your file has multiple tabs, confirm which tab contains the data you want to import. After selecting the file, click Continue. You'll be prompted to name your new Smartsheet. Give it a clear, descriptive name so teammates can find it easily later. If you're placing it in a specific workspace, make sure you have the right permissions and location selected. You'll now see a preview to review your sheet. This is your chance to verify that column headers came through correctly, that the data types look right, and that nothing important is missing. If you plan to use drop-downs, contacts, or date columns, you can adjust column types after the import, but it helps to confirm the structure here. Keep in mind that Excel formulas don't always translate directly. You may need to rebuild formulas using Smartsheet functions once the sheet is created. Also note that attachments and macros in Excel won't carry over with the import. When everything looks good, click Import. Smartsheet will create a new sheet from your file. After it's created, open it to fine-tune column types. Set the primary column if needed, and add any conditional formatting, formulas, or automations. From there, you can share the sheet with your team and start collaborating. If you need to try again with a revised Excel file, simply import once more and archive or rename the earlier version.